Take a look at how much I've been able to earn with CPA grip right here. You can see my all times earning and the amount I've actually gotten paid right here from this platform. And I'm going to show you in this particular video a very cool high CPM platform which you can actually go on to using to monetize your CPA marketing offers and also to monetize any website of your choice, be it your blog space or your blog post right there, and actually start making some cool cash in the year 2023 and beyond. So do watch this video right here to the end to learn this exact same strategy. So first of all guys, you want to go onto a CPA marketing platform right here. You could use the CPA grip as you can see right now. You want to just simply go onto registering for an account. If you don't have one, do click on register. You should be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately, and it is quite important that you do go onto this publisher type and select either the website /Adsense or the GPT. And if you do select one out of those, you can then just simply come onto this section and do go on to reading through the terms of services by clicking on this icon right here. And you can just simply check out these boxes right here to agree to the terms of services after filling out the form before clicking on register now. Once you do that guys, you should be brought to this particular page right here after your account has actually been created for you to actually go on to getting offers which you can go on to promoting right now. You could just simply click on offer tools and my offers right here to get offers which you could go on to promoting. You could filter the offers based on country or demographic of your choice. I'm just going to select offers from the United States demographic, and you'll be able to see offers available to that demographic right now. You can see this offer right here, which is actually for you to go on to installing the TikTok application on your devices right here, and it actually has to be an Android device right now, and you could just simply get paid about $4.71 for every successful lead which you do get to this offer using this unique affiliate link right here. If you do go on to copy the link, next you want to head on to go on to creating a simple landing page for that particular CPA marketing offer. You could use any landing page builder sites out there like the sites.google.com, otherwise known as the Google site. You could use the breezy.io, or you could even go as far as using the systeme.io or any other landing page builder site out there. Once you do create a cool landing page and you link that landing page guys to that CPA marketing offer, or if you are finding it difficult, right here on my channel I basically create some cool videos that can actually do help you right here. You could then just simply go on to checking out my channel because I've created some videos that could help you go on to creating some cool landing pages right here with the help of some AI platforms or some cool landing page builder site platforms like the Breezy Cloud or the Google site right here. So do watch those videos as they will help you actually learn how to create a simple landing page right now. And once you do that guys, you then want to head on to this platform right here which is called the hbagency.ai, and this is actually an amazing ad platform where you could go on to using the display and video advertisement to make the most of your impressions right now. You could see that about 500 plus publishers use this particular platform. We do have about 1 billion plus auctions and 50% average revenue uplift. You will see that more features of this particular platform right here about the ad quality, the net 30 automatic payments, the format, and a lot more features right here. And the partners with this particular platform do partner with. You just want to follow these 3 simple steps right here to use this particular high CPM ad platform. And the first will be to go to registering for this platform. You want to choose from a wide range of formats and actually do go on to earning right here using this particular platform. So what you want to do right now guys is to just simply go on to clicking on sign up. If you do click on sign up, you should be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately by filling out your company name, the country to which you reside in, fill out your email address and select a password. And you want to make sure that these terms of services right here are actually turned on all, so that you could agree to the terms of services before do clicking on sign up and your account to be created on this platform. Once your account is created, as you can see, you should be brought to the dashboard such as this. Just simply go on to click in on this inventory section, click on website, and if you do click on website right now, so as you can see, I'm being brought to this page right here, and I actually do have a website right here that is actually pending approval right now or waiting for approval. you can go on to adding a website right here by just simply clicking on this new website. You want to paste in the website name, and I'm just going to put in something similar to that particular offer, which is that TikTok offer. And if I do want to paste in the link to that particular offer right now, I can then just simply enable the automatic spaces. If I do want, I can actually tell them I already have a CMP, and I can then just simply click on save. If I do click on save right here, guys, this particular link will be generated, and you can actually go on to waiting for approval right here, and such that you want to just simply go onto this placement section. If you do go onto the placement sections right now, you'll be able to see some cool ads which you can actually do go onto using right there for your monetization of this particular landing page, which you actually did create from this particular website, which is the Breezy Cloud or the System.io, or any landing page builder site which you did create for that CPA marketing offer. So as you can see right here, I'm actually showing a lot of placement names right now, which I can actually do go into using for this particular offer, which I actually did add in this particular website section. You can actually do see some cool and amazing placement codes which you can actually do go onto using. If you do copy the link to this particular code, you want to just simply go onto your landing page and actually do go onto embedding that right there. So once you do embed that in some sections right here, as you can see, there are some right here that is for the in article embedding. You could add that right there for your blog post. You could embed right here in an article, in an image, in Interestial, and a lot of other platforms right there. So if you do have a blog post, just simply go on to writing on that blog post, and you can just simply go on to embedding such content right here in that particular blog post in various sections right here, maybe in the article section, in the image section, and the interstitial sections right now. So do take advantage of this, because once you actually do start getting traffic to this particular CPA marketing offer, guys, this particular high CPM platform, you're going to be earning right here from this platform, and also you're going to be earning from CPA grip right here once you do get some cool conversions right now to this particular CPA marketing offer. So do take advantage of this strategy, as it is an amazing one right now that can actually enable you go on to earning cool cash right here. So I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell are turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.